Hello, good morning, friends. Myself Jatin Dave from the Asapura School, and welcome all of you once again. Dear students, today now going to discuss next point 13.2 magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो कि करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर के माध्यम से किस तरह से मिलता है। लास्ट में हमने एक्टिविटी 13.1 देखी थी. वी हैव सीन दैट एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू अ मेटालिक कंडक्टर produce a magnetic field around it. In order to find the direction of the field produced, let us repeat the activity in the following way. तो यहाँ पर हम उसी एक्टिविटी को फिर से वापस फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फील्ड प्रोड्यूस के लिए रिपीट करने जा रहे हैं. देखिए एक्टिविटी 13.4 आपके स्क्रीन पर. टेक अ लॉन्ग straight copper wire, two or three cells of 1.5 volt each, and a plug key. Convert all of the all of them in series as shown in the figure 13.5a. Now place the straight wire parallel to and over a compass needle. Plug the key in the circuit and observe the direction of the uh, deflection of the north pole of the needle. If the current flows from the north to south as shown in the figure 13.5a, the north pole of the compass needle would move towards the east. Replace the cell convections in the circuit as shown in the figure 13.5b. This would result in the change of the direction of the current through the copper wire, and that is from south to north. Observe the change in the direction in the deflection of the needle. You will see that now the needle moves in opposite direction, that is towards the west. It means that the direction of the magnetic field produced by the electric current is also reversed. Look here, the figure 13.5, a simple electric circuit in which the straight copper wire is placed parallel to and over the compass needle. The deflection in the needle becomes opposite when the direction of the current is reversed. Magnetic field due to the current through the straight conductor. What determines the pattern of the magnetic field generated by the current through a conductor? Thus, the pattern depends on the shape of the conductor. We shall investigate with this activity. हमारे सामने प्रश्न ये है कि क्या determines the pattern of the magnetic field generated by the current through the conductor. कंडक्टर में से पास थ्रू होने वाले करंट के द्वारा क्या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की कोई पैटर्न जनरेट हुए करंट के माध्यम से मिलती है, या फिर दूसरा क्वेश्चन है पैटर्न डिपेंड्स ऑन द शेप ऑफ द कंडक्टर. क्या शेप ऑफ द कंडक्टर पर पैटर्न्स डिपेंड करती है? इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हम आगे बढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी की तरफ. वी शैल फर्स्ट कंसिडर द पैटर्न ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड द स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर carrying current. Activity 13.5 says take the battery 12 volt, a variable resistance for the rheostat and ammeter 0.5 एम्पियर को मेजर करने के लिए एक प्लग की और लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट थिक कॉपर वायर की जरूरत पड़ेगी. इंसर्ट द थिक वायर थ्रू द सेंटर normal to the plane of the rectangular cardboard and take care that the cardboard is fixed and does not slide up or down. देखिए फिगर में दिखाया गया है 13.6 फिगर जो कि आपके स्क्रीन पर है. सबसे पहले फिगर में अ पैटर्न ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल indicating the field lines of the magnetic field around a straight conducting wire. The arrows in the circles shows the direction of the field lines. And B, close up of the pattern obtaining. ओके, एक्टिविटी की बात कर रहे थे, हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे स्टेप्स को. कनेक्ट द कॉपर वायर वर्टिकली बिटवीन द पॉइंट्स x and y as shown in the figure 13.6a in series with the battery and plug key. Sprinkle some iron fillings uniformly on the cardboard. You may use the salt sprinkle for this purpose. Keep the variable of the rheostat at the fixed position and not the current through the ammeter. Close the key so that a current flows through the wire. Ensure that the copper wire placed between the points X and Y remains vertically straight. Gently top the cardboard a few times. Observe the pattern of the iron fillings. You would find that the iron fillings align themselves, showing a pattern of the concentric circle around the copper wire. What do this concentric circle represent? They represent the magnetic field lines. How can the direction of the magnetic field be found? Place a compass box at a point, say P, over a circle and observe the direction of the needle. The direction of the north pole of the compass needle would give the direction of the field lines produced by the electric current through the straight wire at point P. Now show the direction by an arrow. Thus, the direction of the magnetic field lines get reverse if the direction of the current through the straight copper wire is reverse, and check it. What happened to the deflection of the compass needle placed off a given point if the current in the copper wire is changed? To see this, vary the current in the wire, we find that the deflection in the needle also change. In fact, if the current is increased, the deflection is also increased. It indicates that the magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a given point increase as the current through the wire increase. What happened to the deflection of the needle? A compass is moved from copper wire, but the current through the wire remains the same. To see this, now place the compass at a farther point from the conducting wire, says point Q. What change do you observe? We see that the deflection of the needle decrease. Thus, the magnetic field produced by the given current in the conductor decrease as the distance from it increases. जैसे ही डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होगा तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम द फिगर 13.6 it can be noticed that the concentric circles representing the magnetic field around a current carrying straight wire become larger and larger as we move away from it. Now, next point is 13.2.2 right hand rule. आपके स्क्रीन पर. A convenient way of finding the direction of the magnetic field associated with the current carrying conductor is properly this way. Look here, right hand drum rule. The direction of current which shows the downward direction and the direction of the magnetic field. Imagine that you are holding the current carrying straight conductor in your right hand and such that the thumb point towards the direction of the current. Then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of the field lines of the magnetic field. As shown in the figure 13.7, this is known as the right hand thumb rule. Now here see the one example 13.1. A current through a horizontal power lines flows in east to west direction. What is the direction of the magnetic field at the point directly below it and at a point directly above it? The current is in the east-west direction. Applying the right hand thumb rule, we get that the direction of the magnetic field at a point below the wire is from north to south. The direction of the magnetic field at the point directly above the wire is from south to north. Now it is the time for your homework. फिर से एक बार टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस जिसे आपको होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करना है। यहाँ से हम आगे चलेंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द करंट थ्रू द सर्कुलर लूप के साथ। चलिए कंटिन्यू करते हैं इस टॉपिक को। We have so far observed the pattern of the magnetic field lines produced around a current carrying straight wire. Suppose this straight wire is bent in the form of the circular loop. ऐसा सपोज करके चलते हैं कि वो जो स्ट्रेट वायर अभी तक हम यूज़ कर रहे थे इसे बेंड करके हमने सर्कुलर लूप में इसे कन्वर्ट कर दिया है एंड द करंट इज पासेस थ्रू इट, और इसमें से करंट को पास थ्रू कर रहे हैं। हाउ वुड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स लुक लाइक? अब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन कैसे दिखेगी? वी नो दैट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द करंट कैरिंग स्ट्रेट वायर डिपेंड्स इनवर्सली ऑन द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम इट. Similarly, at every point of the current carrying circular loop, the concentric circles representing the magnetic field around it and would become larger and larger as we move away from the wire. By the time we reach at the center of the circular loop, the arcs of this big circle would appear as the straight line. Every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to the magnetic field appearing as the straight lines at the center of the loop. By applying the right hand rule, it is easy to check that every section of the wire contributes to the magnetic field lines in the same direction within the loop. So this rule is also called the Maxwell corkscrew rule. If we consider ourselves during the corkscrew in the direction of the current, then the direction of the corkscrew is the direction of the magnetic field. We know that the magnetic field produced by the current carrying wire at the given point depends directly on the current passing through it. So therefore, if there is a circular coil having n turns, the field produced is a time as large as the produced by the single turn, and this is because the current in each circular turns has the same direction and the field due to each turn then just add up. Next activity, once again 13.6 now. Take the rectangular cardboard having the two holes, insert the circular coil and having the large number of turns through them normal to the plane of the cardboard. Convert the ends of the coil in a series with the battery, a key and the rheostat as shown in the figure. Sprinkle iron fillings uniformly on the cardboard and plug the key. Top the cardboard gently a few times. Note the patterns of the iron fillings that emerge on the cardboard. Magnetic field produced by the current carrying circular coil के द्वारा किस तरह मिलता है ये दिखाया गया है यहाँ पर। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द करंट इन अ सोलेनोइड। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड करंट टू अ करंट इन सोलेनोइड, सोलेनोइड के अंदर जो करंट पास थ्रू होती है इसके द्वारा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किस तरह से काम करता है। अ कॉइल ऑफ मेनी सर्कुलर टर्न्स ऑफ द इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर, एक ऐसे प्रकार की कॉइल जिसमें कई सर्कुलर टर्न्स लगाए गए हैं इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर्स को रैप करते हुए क्लोजली इन द शेप ऑफ द सिलेंडर, और इसे क्लोजली इस तरह से रैप किया जाता है कि जिससे उसका शेप सिलेंडर बन जाए, जिसे सोलेनोइड कहा जाता है। पैटर्न ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस अराउंड द करंट कैरिंग सोलेनोइड इज शोन इन द फिगर 13.10. कंपेयर द पैटर्न ऑफ द फील्ड विद द magnetic field around the bar magnet. which shows the figure 13.4. Do they look behaves as the magnetic north pole while the other behave as the south pole? The field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of the parallel straight line, and this indicates that the magnetic field is the same at all points inside the solenoid. That is, the field is a uniform inside the solenoid. The strong magnetic field produced inside a solenoid can be used to magnetize a piece of the magnetic materials like the soft iron when placed inside the coil. From the figure 13.11, the magnet is so formed कॉल्ड एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट। तो इस तरह से इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट फॉर्म किया जा सकता है। देखिए यहाँ पर दो फिगर आपके स्क्रीन पर। सबसे पहले 13.10 फील्ड लाइंस ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड थ्रू द अराउंड द करंट कैरिंग सोलेनोइड के द्वारा किस तरह मिलती हैं। नीचे एक 13 पॉइंट फिगर है। करंट कैरिंग सोलेनोइड कॉइल इज यूज टू मैग्नेटिक स्टील रॉड इनसाइड इट एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट। अब बारी है आपके सामने फिर से एक बार कुछ क्वेश्चंस टेक्स्ट बुक के जो हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, इसे आपको कंप्लीट करना है। इस वीडियो को हम यहीं पर रोकेंगे। आपका धन्यवाद करते हुए थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय।